when we do things, we test, right? So if you're going to do a server, on-prem to cloud conversion, right? You need to test. You need to use Copilot to go out and find if there's stuff out there that we don't want.
Yep.
Just using the keywords, and then using the keywords of things that you think that employees might search for, right? That that you don't want them to see.
Well, unfortunately, if they see this podcast, we just kind of gave them some ideas to search for. So
Right.
You got to think about that.
Right. And then the other thing that you do, like when we used to build file structures and we would give permissions based on groups, we can still do those groups in Azure AD. So we got these groups. We can still do all that group stuff. But, we used to test it. I would go over to the employee's computer and say, hey, can I sit here for a minute? And I would go and I would make sure that they don't have access to the drives that they're not supposed to have access to, that only the map drives that are there, that they can't see stuff they're not supposed to, right? That's the key. I don't want you to be able to even see a folder if you don't have access to it.
Yeah, exactly. You don't even want to know it exists.
Because if I can see it, then I have my first key to hack it.
Yep, to try to get into it or find out more about it.
Right.
Yep.